Am I supposed to listen to this voice in my head? I think it's trying to gas me up with this shit that it's led. And so I go to ask my gut so I can see what he says. But it seems I'm out of luck because his phone line's dead. And then my heart interrupts. It says that I should get rest because my mind is sad enough. It's got to break from the stress. There's no time in the rough. Maybe it's time I give this up. If I can't even put trust into my own mind yet. I got some people that tell me to keep on this moving. It's gonna take time, but you're gonna get through it and everything's gonna be fine. You'll be alright, but I don't know what to do when there's so many things I gotta listen to. Can I tell what is it, what fucking isn't true? Got me confused, nothing is working, I feel like I'm drowning. So I'm trying to swim to the surface of gas for air. It's like I had some near-death moment. Almost drowned inside my thoughts under the sea of emotions. But in that slice of time, it felt good. It's like I was free, because nothing else mattered but this air that I breathe. Because nothing else matters but this love that I have. So fuck all that extra shit that's for holding me back. Keep it all, cause I'm okay with it.